Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love stylish feels but also want comfort and better sport, then today's video is perfect for you. Today we are talking about one of the most elegant and practical heel styles ever created, ankle strap heels. Why are ankle strap heels loved by fashion designers, celebrities and women around the world? What makes them different from other heels? Which styles are trending in 2026 and how can you choose the perfect pair for your feet? Stay with me until the end because I'll share styling tips, buying tips, common mistakes to avoid, and the latest ankle strap heels trends. So let's get started. What are ankle strap heels? Ankle strap heels are shoes that feature a strap wrapping around the ankle. The strap is secured with a buckle, elastic band, or adjustable closure, giving extra stability while walking. Unlike pumps that simply slip on, ankle strap heels keep your feet securely in place, making them more comfortable for long wear. This beautiful design combines elegance with practically making ankle strap heels one of the most popular choices for women of all ages. History of ankle strap heels. Ankle strap shoes have been fashionable for decades. Originally inspired by vintage dance shoes, they gradually become every fashion footwear. Today, fashion brands create ankle strap heels in countless colors, materials, and heel heights, from wedding to office wear. These heels are suitable for almost every occasion. Types of ankle strap heels. Stilettos ankle strap heels. These have thin high heels that create a sleek and glamorous look, perfect for evening parties, weddings, formal events, date nights. They make our legs appear longer and add instant elegance. Block heels ankle strap. These feature a wider heel for greater stability, perfect for office wear, shopping, long events, daily use. They are much easier to walk in than stilettos. Ankle strap. Kitten heels have a low heel height, usually between 1.5 to 2 inches, ideal for women who want elegance without sacrificing comfort. Platform ankle strap heels. Platform ankle heels include a thicker front sole that reduces pressure on your feet. They're perfect for parties, fashion events, special occasions. Wedge ankle strap heels. The heel extends from the back to the front in one continuous piece. These offer excellent comfort and are perfect for summer outfit. Peep toe ankle strap heels. These leaves the toe slightly visible while maintaining elegance, perfect for spring and summer fashions. Closed toe ankle strap heels. These provide a formal and sophisticated appearance, best suited for office wear and business meetings. Material used. Ankle strap heels are available in various materials: genuine leather, fox leather, suede, satin, velvet, patent leather, transparent PVC. Each material creates a unique look and suits different occasions. Best colors. Some of the most popular ankle strappies include black, nude, white, beige, silver, gold, red, pink, emerald green, burgundy. Neutral colors are versatile while metallic shades are perfect for special occasion. How to style ankle strappies. Pair with them jeans, dresses, skirts, formal suits, wide leg trousers, jumpsuits, maxi dresses, wedding outfits. Ankle strappies can easily elevate both casual and formal look. How to choose the perfect pair. When shopping for ankle strappies, keep these tips in mind. Choose the correct size, ensure the ankle strap fits comfortably, walk a few steps before buying, select a heel height that matches your comfort level, check the quality of the sole and heel. Benefits of ankle strap heels: better foot support, more stability while walking, elegant appearance, suitable for almost every occasion, available in countless designs, helps reduce foot slipping inside the shoe, fashionable throughout the year. Common mistakes to avoid: buying heels that are too tight, wearing very high heels for long hours, choosing poor quality materials, ignoring comfort for style, wearing the wrong size. 2026 fashion trends. This year ankle strap trends include crystal ankle straps, metallic finishes, pearl embellishments, transparent heels, sculpture hair designs, bow details, floral embroidery, sustainable materials. Fashion this year focuses on elegance combined with comfort. Caring for your ankle strap heels. To keep your heels looking new, clean them regularly, store them in dust bags, avoid excessive water exposure, protect sweat with a sweet brush, replace worn heel tips with when necessary. Good care helps your shoe last much longer. Ankle strap heels are one of the smartest footwear investment because they offer style, comfort and versatility all in one design. Whether you are attending a wedding, going to work, enjoying a dinner date or simply upgrading your everyday wardrobe, ankle strap heels can instantly enhance your overall look. If you are planning to buy a new pair in 2026, consider choosing a design that reflects your personality while providing the comfort you need. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this complete guide helped you learn everything about ankle strappies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also let me know in the comments which type of ankle strap is your favorite. See you in the next video.